Here's a quick little review video for how you begin today's assignment in BigIdeasMath.com. So the first question says, plot the line segment that connects the pair of points in the coordinate plane, then find the length of the line segment connecting the points. So you'll probably see that you definitely have to scroll up and down a little bit for this question. So the first order pair I need to graph is 0, 1, which means 0, I don't move any right or left, and I go up 1, so my first point would go right there. Second point I need to graph is 8, 1. So that means I move to the right 8, and then I move up 1. And when I click that dot, it makes the line there like I need for the line segment. Then for the second part, I have to find the length of CD, which means I count the space between those 2 points. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My distance between those would be 8. I check my answer, and I've got both parts correct. Okay, next one, you are going to plot 5, 2, which means you go over 5, up 2. Second point you would plot would be 5, 6, which would mean you go over 5, up 6, and then count the distance between those 2 points. Question number 5, I have to plot the point 3, 4. So I go over 3, up 4, and then I would plot 3, 9, which means I go over 3 and then up 9. Make a line segment connecting those points and then find the distance between those 2 points. Question number 6 is a little bit different. We're going to draw the polygon with the given vertices in the coordinate plane. So for the first order pair I need to graph, I go over 4 and then up 7, and I make my first dot right there. Second ordered pair I need to graph is 6, 2, so that means I go over 6, up 2, and you'll notice a line just appears connecting those 2 points. And then my last ordered pair is 0, 0, which is right where I started with. Now to complete my shape, I just have to click on my very first dot, and then it will make the shape that I want it to make. Check my answer, and I've got it right. Okay, same exact thing for this one. You go over 3, up 2, over 3, up 5, over 9, up 5, and then over 9 up 2, and then don't forget to click on your original point, and then that will make the shape that you want it for question number 9. Then question number 17, you design a treehouse using the coordinate plane. You plot the vertices of the floor at these locations. The coordinates are measured in feet. So which best describes the shape of this floor? Would that be a triangle, a square, a trapezoid, a rectangle having a length of 1 foot longer than its width, or a rectangle having a length 2 feet longer than its width? Give you a hint, this is not hard. What is this shape? And then for the second part, we need to find the perimeter and the area of the floor. Well, what you need to do is find the length of one of these sides, and then obviously all of them would be the same. So you could just find the length from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then multiply. Sorry about that. Once you find the length here is 7, well, it's going to be 7 on all 4 sides, so you could just multiply it 7 times 4, and that would be your answer here. And then to find the area of this shape, you know it is base times height, so it would just be 7 times 7, and that should be the area that you get right there. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you finish this assignment.